Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Welcome back to Faz Ultimate channel. So viewers, I bought a brand new air fryer, that is Philips XXL. So I thought why not to share it with you guys. First I will unbox it. Then I will prepare a simple and easy recipe within this air fryer. So let's start to unbox it. We got a recipe book and a mesh tray. Wow, look at this. It's so fabulous. And it got this extra wide basket. And I think it can serve almost 4 to 5 people easily. Good choice for big family. It has got a LCD display, and the thing which I like the most is that there is a plug with a small room in it. If you don't want to use it, then just chuck it back. The reason why I bought this huge air fryer is that it does a good job when it comes to grilling, baking and roasting. And if you are health conscious, then this air fryer is definitely a good choice for you guys. It comes with exclusive features like you will enjoy a fat-free food in less time. Now I am making a recipe for chicken. For this I will make some deep cuts into the chicken like this. Like this. So that all the spices get mixed up properly. Now I am taking some herbs, coriander leaves, mint leaves, some parsley and chopped it properly. Now again chopped it. Now it's properly chopped, and I will add these herbs into the chicken. Now I am going to stuff the herbs into the skin like this. Now I am going to add this boiled lemon inside the chicken like this to make it more juicier and tasty. And now I am going to cut the bottom pieces of drumstick. Now I am going to add some butter here to make the skin more crispy. I have added some ginger garlic paste over the top of the chicken like this, and I will add some more spices to it 1 teaspoon of black pepper, just sprinkle a little bit, and I'm taking 1 teaspoon of salt, and the last spice is I'm taking 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. And we'll rub it across the whole chicken like this. Now I'm taking the chicken to the air fryer for roasting. Now I will set the temperature to 180 degrees C and timer to 15 minutes. Now it's done and I will check it after every 5 minutes. Wow! Now the chicken is getting its shape and it getting crispier. Now I am going to turn it upside down. Now I have turned it upside down and will set the temperature up to 200 degrees C and the timer to 5 minutes. Wow, now look, the skin is getting crispier and I think it's ready now. Wow, it looks very juicier and delicious. And the best part is that it is totally fat and oil free due to its fats cutting technology. I can't wait anymore. I'm going to test it. Wow. Look. It's so juicy and all the spices are properly mixed up. Wow. So guys, please give it a try and you will find out how healthy and scrumptious this chicken will be in this air fryer. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.